Let's be honest, most trade shows, they're fine. You shake a few hands, you grab some free pins, and you try not to fall asleep. But what if I told you that there's an unspoken truth we are missing about trade shows? And what if I told you that the one thing you're missing at most trade shows could change your business forever? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the local trade show that can do just that. Let's party. Hey party people, Santiago from SOS Garage Door Service. I've been to my fair share of industry events, and I've seen firsthand how a trade show should be done. In fact, we're going to be pulling the curtain back on a typical trade show experience and show you why the WASA event stands out in a league of its own, igniting passion and pushing the boundaries for the garage door industry. If you're in the garage door trade, you know that feeling, that struggle to find genuine support, true innovation, and that electric buzz that makes you feel excited about what you do. Sometimes it feels like you're just going through the motions. And I think that's why for the garage door industry, no one really likes to go to these events. The unspoken truth is that these trade shows lack connection. They're often just a collection of booths, a parade of salespeople, and a mountain of brochures that you're probably never going to read. They often lack innovation. You see the same old products repackaged with little to truly to get excited about. And critically, they lack community. It's hard to feel like you're a part of something bigger when everyone's just trying to hit their quota. This leads to a lack of buzz and a lack of support, and ultimately a missed opportunity for our industry to truly thrive. But WASA is looking to break that mold, and here's why it's a game changer for anyone serious about the garage door trade. First, it's about genuine connection and networking. At WASA, you don't just meet people, you build relationships. I've personally connected with incredible people at the WASA show, like the team from Multi-Cells, who aren't just selling products, but building real relationships. It's where you find my tribe, get honest advice, and truly feel supported. Next, it's about cutting-edge innovation. This isn't just about seeing what's new, it's about seeing what's next. From the quiet power of the linear garage door operators to the revolutionary safety of the Infinity Shield sensor, WASA is where groundbreaking tech is revealed. It's where you can touch, test, and truly understand the innovations that will transform your garage door business. In fact, it was at the WASA show that I met the amazing team of Infinity Shield. We hit it off great with the owners, Majid and Yurker, which led to further conversations. Now we have a working relationship with them, and that's all because of the power of connecting with companies that push cutting-edge innovation in the garage door space. And finally, WASA drives industry insights and growth. It's more than just products. It's about knowledge, insights into the sales processes, the shifting landscape of private equity, and even the strategies that amplify your brand, like we discussed with Barry Nix about his Garage Door Marketing Machine book. It's a fantastic book that helps garage door professionals like myself. And again, WASA offered that actionable intelligence so that way we could stay ahead of our game. So what's the number one thing that I've learned at WASA? Well, it's that I needed to level up my business with the right tools. One way we have done that is by using an amazing CRM like Jobber. Now, I've talked about Jobber before, but I have not talked about their ability to help your business grow. For example, they have marketing tools to help get your business online. Do you need a quick website or landing page? Jobber offers that. Their platform provides all of their members a free, customizable site or landing page to drive traffic to your business. The benefit? You get leads in a breeze, and you build trust with your customers as they are able to leave you a review. Again, if it wasn't for Jobber, our business would suffer. So if you are interested, check the link below for a free trial. But if I'm being honest, it was only when I attended WASA that I realized that I had to implement the strategies and utilize the tools that were being offered to me. I care about being perceived as a professional, and in order for that to happen, I needed to meet and learn from the people within the industry that are doing something about it. Ultimately, WASA reignites your passion for this incredible trade. It's where you see the future, connect with its pioneers, and leave feeling energized and truly ready to take your business to the next level. So if you're tired of the same old trade show experience and you're ready to connect, innovate, and grow within the garage door industry, then you need to experience WASA. It's not just an event, it's an investment in your business and your brand. I've put a direct link to the WASA Trade Show website in the description below. And don't forget to also check out the free trial to the CRM Jobber. Trust me, it's going to change your business. Now, there's a number of reasons why I think the garage door industry should continue to innovate their products. And we had a great conversation with some of the representatives at Genie. So check out that video right here. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.